Good morning, students. Have a nice Tuesday. Dear friends, we all know about the familiar proverbs, familiar saying, like health is wealth. As per Aristotle's views, a sound mind is in a sound body. And in Gujarati language, we always say, "Pahelu sukh te jate naya." These all familiar proverbs saying, and they all are related to health related. Okay, what do you mean by these familiar saying? What do they say? They say that your real wealth is health. Your real wealth is health, and your prime happiness is nothing but your health. So, if you want to live healthy life, your mind and body must be sound. Your mind and body must be sound. Sound means healthy. If you want to live healthy life, if you want to live normal life, because your prime happiness, your first happiness is nothing but your health. What is the importance of health? These all important words say about real wealth is nothing but your health. Health is wealth. So, your health physically as well as mentally should be very well. But today we all know that modern age is the age of science and technology, right? Science has progressed very much. The technology has already changed our life. So the result of it, a different picture has come in front of us. Technology has already changed our life. The result of it is that the different picture has come in front of us. The life has been very fast, hectic. The life has been very fast, hectic, artificial, one kind of machine, because we are beauty conscious and we are less health conscious. We are beauty conscious, not health conscious. Mind me, we are not aware about keeping our health well. We are money oriented, beauty conscious, awareness for beauty, not for health. So the different picture has come in front of us. but health is wealth. So, such title is given to you. Why? Why such title is given to you? The name of the title is Manage Your Stress. Manage your stress. That means strengthening mental flexibility. Strengthening means make stronger, strongest your mental flexibility, a state of mind, status of mind. Because mental health is very important thing. Because mental health is very important thing. It is used, it is helpful to concentrate, right? To remember old information, to get new information. It is also used for studying, for working, and very important use of mental health is to make a day today important decision. Day to day wise decision. So mental health is very important. It is very useful to take a day to day routine wise decision. As an example, we can take, suppose you had the choice of walking. You had, hear me, attention please. You had the choice of walking to work. Second option, taking a car. There are two options for going to work. One, you had a choice of walking. Another, taking a car. The fact is that it was raining. It is raining hard. Heavy rain falling. And second, you have a cold. You have a cold. Then, what do you select? What should you select? The situation makes you select to take a car for your working. Because raining heavy and you have a cold. So you have to take a car for your working. This is wise decision. And that is available by your mental status, mental health, right? So mental ability is very important. You all know that here three parts are described. Three parts of human body. They are described. Mind, body and emotions. Three parts. Mind, body and emotions. They all are closely related. They all are closely interlinked. Interlinked means joined. Mind, body and emotions, they are very closely interlinked. And they all work together. They all work together. So if you want to understand them separately, distinguish them, separate them, then you will judge what is the importance of mind, body and emotions. Emotions, suppose here one example of emotions. They are counterpart of mind. Emotions, they are counterpart of mind. As an example, here we can take examiners. Examiners. Your mental ability, what does it do? Very important thing. What does it do? Mental ability has helped you to remember what you have revised. What you have revised. Time of exam. You all know, dear friends, you all know your stuff. You all know about your stuff. Stuff means what you write in exam. What you write in your exam. You all know about your stuff. You all know about your stuff. What to write. But as soon as when you enter in an exam room, when you enter in an exam room, you have become emotional. You have become emotional, and there are expected difficulties are in front of you. Hear me. There are expecting difficulties, like what kind of paper it will be, what kind of supervisor be, whether it is hard or easy, tough or easy, maybe, and what is the result? What is the result of it? Your stored, very carefully stored information, emotions. Your very carefully stored information that you have revised, your stuff, very carefully stored in your mind, is no longer available. Is no longer available. And you will fail. Emotions, they are counterpart. They are counterpart of your mind. So here, in a modern age, hectic, very fast age, what we suffer? Everyone is suffering from stress. Everyone is suffering from stress. Everyone is suffering from worry. Everyone is suffering from anxiety, tension. No one is free. No one is free from suffering stress. Everyone is suffering. Tension, worry, anxiety. Stress, right? So here the title says, manage your stress, control your stress, manage your stress, strengthening your mental power, strengthening, manage your stress, control. So here, there are 4-5 statements. And if you react them, that means you are a patient of mentally stressed. If you react, and the statements they are: first, You find focus on things. Second, second sentence. Your memory is letting you down many times. Third, you have a lot of different things, but you don't grasp any. You have a lot of things. Four, you take much time to do task, though it is done very fast, quickly, and you take much time. Study about the sentence. First, you find to focus on things. Do you concentrate? ध्यान केंद्रित करવું. You find focus on things? Yes or no? Two options, yes or no. Second, your memory is letting you down. That means forgotten many times. Yes or no? You have a lot of different things, but you don't grasp any. Fourth, you take much time to do tasks, and it is done very quickly, fast. And last, you start many tasks, but you don't finish. You don't finish. How you react? How you react? And if you react all these situations, that means it is a sign of mental stress. It is a sign of mental stress. Study once again. Once again, read and react, yes or no. So, the better you deal with mental stress, the better you deal with means take action. Important things, unfamiliar words. Deal with, take action, in position. The better you deal with mental stress, the less your emotions are affected. Better you deal. better you deal with them, the less your mental, the less your emotions, the less your emotions affected. જેટલું વધારે સારી રીતે સ્ટ્રેસને મેનેજ કરશો, તમારી લાગણીઓ, ભાવનાઓ ઓછી અસરગ્રસ્ત, ઓછી પ્રભાવિત બનશે. તો here in this unit there are some exercises how to control stress, how to manage stress. For that there are some exercises and they all will be helpful. They all will be very helpful to control, to manage stress. Right? Let us see about them. First exercise. Stop overthinking. Stop overthinking. This is very important exercise. This is very helpful to manage our stress. When there are tasks, many tasks, there are many tasks and processes. There are many tasks and there are processes. काम पण વધારે છે અને દબાણ પણ છે. There are many tasks and processes. They are found together. When they are found together, our mind starts overthinking. Our mind starts overthinking. It should be stopped. Overthinking should be stopped because it becomes obstacle to manage your stress, control your stress. So tasks and forces, when they are found together, mind starts overthinking. Example, suppose I wish there was a switch in my mind. There was a switch in my mind. I want to flee and turn off all thoughts which were running in my mind. I wish there was a switch in my mind. Why? There was a switch in my mind. I flick. Flick means click. Flick means click. बंद कर देओ. Turn off. Turn off all my thoughts which are running in my mind. I wish. Overthinking. Stop. This time you have to follow very important words. When your mind starts overthinking, what should you do? You should remember, you should say many times during the day. You should remember very important words all the day, during the day. And they are, I have no expectation. I have no expectation. I will give. Very important words. I have no expectations. I I have no expectations. I will deal with whatever happens and when it happens. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ કે હું ફોડી લઈશ, જ્યારે પરિસ્થિતિ આવશે ત્યારે હું પહોંચી વળીશ, ફોડી લઈશ. Very important words to manage your stress, because this time there are so many thoughts, and your mind starts overthinking, and you are put in a confusion, and you say I must do X, I must do Y work, I must do Z work, and after that what happens? I must do A and B, I must do A and B. Overthinking. Basically, the day hasn't started. The day hasn't started, and you are in a tease. Be in a tease. Idiom. The day has not started, and you are in a tease. To be in a tease means to be in a state of confusion. To be in a state of excitement. Remember, friends, basically the day has not started, and you say, oh my God, I have much to do, I have much to do, I must do X work, I must do Y, Z, after that A and B. Basically the day has not started, and you are in a tease. You are in a tease. This means to be in a state of confusion, excitement. What happens? The normal energy. You started your day, and the day has been dreadful, terrible, fearful, and you start your work with half of energy, half of your normal energy. This position, overthinking, what does it do? It starts weakening your natural energy. It starts weakening your natural energy, and your day is with half of your normal energy. So in this position, you only say, you only remember, you only say, what? I have no expectations. Only say, I have no expectations. I will deal with whatever happens when it happens. As a mantra, remember, as a mantra, I have no expectations. आरजुओं ने हर किसी को दर्द बांटे हैं. I have no expectation. You have to remember it as a mantra. Say only, say. And if you say, what happens? You will regain your natural energy, normal energy, and your body feel relaxed, refreshed. Okay? Very important exercise. Stop overthinking and eat very easily. Manage your stress, manage your tension. Right? Let us see about second type exercise. Self-hypnosis. Try to understand the meaning of hypnosis. Hypnosis means giving suggestion. Giving suggestion to self. Giving suggestion to self. Self-hypnosis. Giving suggestion. Suggest yourself. Suggest yourself. This is also very important exercise. This is also very important exercise to manage your stress. To manage your stress. Very important exercise. Here, what one should do? What one should do in self-hypnosis? Settle back in a chair and close your eyes. First thing to do in self-hypnosis exercise, settle back in a chair. Settle back in a chair and close your eyes. After that, start counting backwards. Start counting backwards from 99 to 70. Start counting. Count 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 up to 70. Start. First, settle back in a chair and close your eyes. Very beneficial, very important to manage stress. Start 99 to 70. And when you count backwards, these figures, fix it with your breathing. Fix it with your breathing. Like 99. 98, 95. Fix it with breathing, long respiration, long breathing. Fix it, just like we do pranayama, respiration, right? After that, counting, start counting from 69 to 30, backward. 69, 68, 67 to 30. After that, start counting from 29 to 0. 29 to 0. Start counting 29 to 0. Here, imagine yourself. When you count 69 to 30, imagine yourself. What? You are walking down. You are walking down the step of a beautiful staircase. Beautiful staircase. You are walking down. You are walking down the steps of a beautiful staircase. Very beautiful, and the steps are carpeted. Steps are carpeted. And here outside landscape view, beautiful landscape, beautiful view, right? Imagine yourself. Staircase very beautiful, and you are walking down the steps. And outside beautiful views, landscape. When you count 29 to 0, and when 0 comes, when you arrive at 0, here imagine yourself that you are in a luxurious lift. You are in a luxurious lift, very luxurious lift. You are in it. And when 0 comes, The lift door open. Lift door open and you enter. When 0 comes, the lift door open and you enter in a well-furnished room, luxurious room. There are so many things and they all are favorite to you. Well-furnished room, very beautiful things in it. They all are favorite to you. So what you have to do? You have to find a comfortable chair. In this exercise, you have to find a very comfortable chair and set up back. Your eyes closed. You have to remain there. You have to remain there till you feel rested. You feel refreshed. Remain in a chair until you feel rested, you feel refreshed. Relax. Very important exercise, self-hypnosis. Now let us see about the third exercise, and that is the screen exercise. Number 3, very important exercise, the screen exercise. The screen exercise, very important. Screen exercise. Here, first you have to think about the situation. You have to see about the situation that cause stress. You have to think about the situation which has caused you stress, tension, right? After that, imagine that the situation is on the screen of your mind. Try to understand. Very important exercise, the screen exercise. Right? Here, first you have to think about situation that gives you stress. Think about the situation, position that give you stress, tension. Right? Second thing, imagine that the situation is on the screen. Situation is on the screen of your mind. Like as if it were a film on your mind. The situation is on your mind. Screen on your mind. Screen. As if it were a film and you were watching. As if it were a film and you were watching it. Third position. Think about the person. There is someone else. There is someone else in a film. Replace him by you. Think you self are in a film. You have to think that you self, you self are in a film. And what do you feel? Think. What would you advise person? And after that, what do you feel? Decide. What advice would you give him? Replace him by yourself. And after that, open your eyes and act as per your advice. Open your eyes and act, do as per your advice. Very important exercise. Screen exercise. Very important. And let us see about the last exercise, anticipating success. Success. Last exercise, anticipating success. Dear friends, understand, know about this exercise. Very important, very helpful to manage your stress. Here, what do we feel when our life becomes hectic? Unfamiliar words. When our life becomes hectic, hectic means very fast. Very fast. Second meaning, full of activities. Here, when life becomes hectic, very fast, full of activities, then it is impossible to think clearly. One cannot think clearly. Mind is a logical part, rational part of body. Mind is a rational part, logical part of human body. But whenever life becomes hectic, whenever life becomes very fast, full of activities, we can't think clearly. We can't think clearly. Logically, we can't think. And nothing seems easy. Nothing seems easy. Everything seems tough. Hard. Everything seems, looks tough, hard. Nothing seems easy. Nothing seems positive. Nothing seems positive. And here in this position, pessimism starts. Pessimism means hatasha, nirashavad sharu થાય છે. One can't think clearly when life becomes hectic. It is impossible to think clearly. It is impossible to take wise decision. We make unwise decision. We make unwise decision. They are not beneficial to us. Unwise decision we take and pessimism starts. Pessimism begins. Here you all are advised. Always be optimistic. Keep it in your mind, not down. Always be optimistic. Never be pessimistic. Always be optimistic. हमेशा आशावादी बनो. Never be pessimistic. निराशावादी क्यारे न बनो. And in this position, under mental stress, under mental tension, anticipating success, collecting success, सब पूर्व धारणाओं, very useful, optimistic. Here nothing seems easy, nothing seems positive. So you have to think positively. Welcome positive thinking. And when you think positively, very easily you are able to manage your stress. You are able to manage your stress. So here, once again, what one should do? Settle back in a chair and close your eyes. Settle back in a chair and close your eyes. Second thing, experience everything with your senses. Experience everything with your senses. Enjoy everything. Enjoy everything that you add. First, settle back in a chair, close your eyes. Second thing, experience everything with your senses, all senses. Third, hang on positive thinking. Hang on. Hang on positive thinking. Hang on. Continue. Keep on. Hold on. Hang on means hold on. Hold on positive thinking. And once again, open your eyes and feel relax, refresh. Once again, I repeat, there are 4 exercises to manage your stress. First thing, stop overthinking. Second thing, screen exercise. Third thing, screen exercise. Third, anticipating success. And one other, once again, stop overthinking, self-hypnosis, screen exercise, and last, anticipating success. Mental abilities, very important to remain healthy, to live useful, fruitful, as well as faithful life. So you have to keep it very well. More exercises are given in read 2. In read 2, you all are asked, you all are advised to read them all carefully. Okay? Thanks.